Alright, we got us a new box. See what's all in it from Corvette America this week. Alright. Which that right there is from Harbor Freight. Paint gun stands, what that was, with a couple sand blocks in it. Alright, let's see y'all. We have the header molding that goes up over top of the windshield. Let's see here. Right there, that's our quarter fender panels. Or I guess that's what that is. Yeah, rear quarter panels. For the 76. Which they go right inside here, inside the door, where they fit. Put them up. See what else we got. That right there are the kick panels, which they go right down there. They go right in here. For that, that's where those go. Let's see what else we got in here. We got both of the, there's a pillar post. I got the left and the right for them. And two more boxes. Let's see what they are. This one here is the top panel. It's in black though, it's not the Firethorn. It goes up here, across there, which everything down across here, everything in the center console is black. So I run it in black as well. And I have this, which is the rear, I think it's the rear window. Yeah, the rear window frame. It's also in the Firethorn. And that is it for this box. Let's see what we got here. See if it shows everything. Yeah. Pillar posts left and right, header molding. Alright, that's all of it. Other than that, we finna get back on the body. Alright, that's just an update on the 76 Vet we rebuilding. Alright, we getting the seats dyed up. They were silver, we're going black with them. And we hitting it with the of course, we're going with the stuff you're supposed to. Corvette America. The vinyl dye. Which we cleaned them up with the that cheap purple power, but it cleaned it up good though. That's just the first coat. Letting it dry up. Then we're going to hit it again. We'll be back. Alright, we're getting there. Getting it dyed in. Let's see here. Pick it up and see what it looks like. We got another couple coats to go. But she's getting there.